and a hearty welcome to all of you. So, the topic for today is 24 by 7 happiness. Just one more word in meeting. So, our guest speaker today, Sister Yeshu, she has come from Monty. So, we are very pleased to have her here. And I would like to give a warm welcome and a big round of applause to welcome her on the stage. Let's welcome our speaker, and we're very pleased to have her here one more time. Thank you. Sister Yeshu has been practicing meditation since last 35 years. She is a meditation facilitator, motivational speaker, life skills trainer, and also she has been awarded a lot of awards throughout all the sessions she gives. So let's get back to our speaker and hear how do we get a secured happiness and not just the happiness.
Now make a 2 pairs. Make a 1 pair. Yeah, just share your views to another partner with you. Okay, I'll give you just a 1 minute to you. Go. You don't have to see the slide. Slide is just for me, not for you. Yes, sister? Yes, brother, you also share with your views with the partner? The simple thing is, what are you not accepting about the situation or people involved in it? What the result is? कुछ तो result होता होगा, good होता होगा, either bad होता होगा, but it is important to us to go to the result. And now the second one is, what might happen if you did accept it? If you accepted, आपने accept किया हुआ है, so what the result at that time? Okay? Can anybody share with us? If you did that exercise, can anybody share with us? Yeah, please, brother. Not able to hear.
Erratic traffic.
Okay, it's
on
a
the
traffic.
roads, but we have no control over it. He said we have to accept it, and sometimes behavior of the people also not in our control, but we are not able to accept it. Find the right moment and try to explain them. Otherwise, also accept it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's good. Find the right moment, and then they feel like they accept the thing, because when the mind is relaxed, then other people can accept. Right? Anybody? Anybody? Anyone more can share something? Okay. So the simple equation for the life is, just a simple equation for the life is, you don't want to write anything. You just listen and just enjoy the thing. Like something, say with me, something plus acceptance is equal to positive feeling. Right? Now say this equation to your partner. Either वो आपके कलीग है, either वो आपके बच्चे हैं. You just share this equation with your partner. Something plus acceptance is equal to positive feeling. Answer. There is a 2 questions, and the second question answer is that. And the first question, where you are not accepting, something plus non-acceptance in the bracket is resistance is equal to negative emotion. And all the thing depends upon us. We are just saying situation है इसलिए ऐसा है, not at all. It's totally upon. So today itself, before 7:45, you have to say yourself, it's my emotions. Say to us, it's my emotions. my feelings. I am the creator of this emotions and my feelings. Done? Done? Because feeling my, action my, emotion my, everything is my, because I am the creator. I am not a victim. वो खुश होगा ना दीदी तो ही मैं होऊंगा. बच्चा अच्छा एग्जाम में पास करेगा ना, देन आई फील कि हाँ मैंने अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट अपने बच्चों पे कर दिया. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दिस वे. द थिंग ऑल द टाइम सिचुएशन कम्स टू यू. एक भाई दिल्ली में है, ही सेड टू मी, जब मेरे पास वॉल्स वैगन आ जाएगी ना, देयर इज़ अ कार आई थिंक वॉल्स वैगन, जब वो आ जाएगी ना, देन आई फील कि हाँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. बट नॉट एट ऑल. इट डिपेंडेंसी. Right? So thing is, something plus non-acceptance is equal to negative emotions. So better go for the first equation, and the first equation is very simple. That is, say to your partner, not see here, say to your partner, and after the talk, tomorrow in the morning, something, but it's not acceptance. Then what thing is? Oh, आप तो कल सीख कर आए थे. Then what happened? Now go back to the Brahma Kumaris again and learn again, right? Okay. Can we move to the next part? Yes. The first step is first A. Yes, sister. First A. A means acceptance. है ना? Accept all. Now the second part, second step. But then can you move? Believe in benefit. When I accept myself, it is belief. It is belief. There is belief and believe. Two things are there. Belief and believe. In Hindi, belief means manyata, and belief means I faith on myself. So what the two things are there? It is a difference. मान्यता है, शुरू से मान्यता चलती आई है. हिंदी में बोलते हैं देयर इज अ, शुरू से मान्यता है, इसलिए घर में भी ये चलता आया है. बट दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे डू. एक मंत्र जाप है दैट वी आर ऑलवेज डूइंग बिकॉज घर में सब करते आए हैं. बट बिलीव इन द बेनिफिट. इफ दैट परफॉर्मेंस वॉज नॉट ओके, नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू अस, it is just a drama that they do. But why I disturb with this? Because my mind is saying it's not according to my wish. This my wish is a very dangerous wish. My wish is this: my son now become a doctor, and son is saying no, I don't want to become a doctor. Then what your wish now? Okay, करो जो करना है आपको, क्या करें. दीदी वो सुनते ही नहीं है, समझते ही नहीं है. बट वॉट दे डू, बिकॉज वी हैव टोटली, दिस इज ऑल्सो द मेडिटेशन, यू नो. Secured happiness, when you do for the secured happiness, it is also the meditation. When your child, when your family member not okay with your views, because you are saying all the time what I am saying, I am the right, they are also the right, but they understand at least me. But can I understand myself? That is believe in the benefit. Whatever the thing is going on, it is, everything is okay. Okay? So 24/7, we are in the reaction mood. But now, today onwards, 24/7, we have to choose a response. We are reacting the situation. But now for the 24/7, we go for the choose a response. And those persons who try this, they are become a good leaders. They are become a good responsive, because if we go for the good response, then in the management it is saying that अगर कोई responsible है तो they have to go for the response. They don't go for the reactions. right? For the spiritual maturity, it is very important we go for the responses, not go for the reactions. Because where there is reactions, there is a barrier in relations. It is important to understand. Okay, so the first step is, and the equation is something plus, not able to hear you, acceptance is equal to positive response, है ना? And where is your smile? There is no GST at all, right? No tax, VAT, nothing else. Where is your smile? So give a big smile to yourself and say to them, this equation, अपने आप को एक बार उस equation को revise कराएं and say to yourself that something plus is equal to positive, but something, again we have to, not negative emotions, again we have to create my own thoughts, because I am the master of the master. I am not a victim. Okay, can I move to the next? Everything happens for a reason. If there is a traffic, brother, there is any reason? Hyderabad, Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, there is lot of, what we have to do now? Leave early. Accepted, है ना? It's accepted. Listen, listen, if you have to do some your hobbies, you do your hobbies in the car, drawing, painting, and whatever it is, listening music and whatever it is, go for the good mood. Okay? So, belief in benefit, and there is again a reflection, right? Can you discern the personal progress and learning in the situation? Can you? How many of you? Yes, can you discern the personal progress and learning in the situation? There is a situation like traffic. There is a situation like people not understand me. There is a situation they don't give me love. They don't even understand what I am saying, right? But reflection may, you have to go and can you discern the personal progress? Is there any progress? If all the time we are in the negative, then no progress at all. But in that situation, when we find out the solution, we go for the. So now close your eyes and go to reflect to yourself, check yourself. Can I feel personal progress when situation comes to me? Can I learn something from the situation? And the answer comes to me, yes, because I believe in benefit. And the quality which I emerge in myself, that is, believe in benefit. I am the creator of my thoughts, my feelings, my emotions. Open your eyes. When the 2 steps complete, there is a 3rd step is, A means accept, B means believe. Now come to the C. C means it automatically happens. We don't want to do anything for that. Okay, now stand up for once. Now you have to walk in the hall. It is possible for you to walk in the hall, not outside the hall. Right? 1, 2, 3, start. Please walk. Without saying anything to anyone, just walk. With the smile you can walk. Without GST, smile is very good for us. Just walk. Stop. Now the second exercise. Now again when we walk in the hall, whoever comes to me, और जिसको भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, I give a very beautiful vibrations to them that they are the creator, they are the good healer, and they are the very good divine soul. Like this you can say, right? It is okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Walk. जो भी आपके सामने आए, you just say to them, now stop again. Just stop. Wherever you are, just stop. Don't sit right now. Now we go for the collective part. There is a cool part, okay. Second part is calmness, because I give them the vibrations to them. And now the third one is collected. Collection of good vibrations. Right? So अब जो third activity करेंगे, now you have to move around in the hall. जिनके भी पास आप जाएंगे, wherever you go to the partners or anyone else, you have to shake the hands like this and say to them, yes, thank you, आप इस प्रोग्राम में मेरे साथ आए. It is very good to us. You are a divine being, divine soul, and keep coming for the sessions to enlighten, not to others, but to ourselves. Okay? You have to talk. You have give some message to them, and the message is good wishes messages. Okay? Like you have to connect with the 5 to 6 peoples. 1, 2, 3, start. You connect with 5 to 6. At least you go and interact with the 5 to 6. Go with the good mood. Now, thank you so much. And now sit down. Wherever you are, sit down, or if you want to sit down in your own places, you can. Okay. So can I ask you one thing? What you feel in that? It's just a fun activity, or you have to feel something in that? Yeah, I take something, takeaways from the third step. See. So I want to ask you what you feel. Can you share something? Yes, in a one word? Peace? Peace. Strength from others. You just feel like everybody can give you some good vibrations, and now you feel strengthened. It's a secured happiness. Okay, fine. More about? Okay. Breaking barriers. That's very good. You feel like this, breaking barriers? That's good. Very much present. Okay, very good. Very much present. So there is peace. Sorry. Positive vibrations. Why it has happened? Why it has happened? Because of us. To give a big round of applause to. All the thing happens because of, if so much traffic in the road, because of, if no one is happy, because of, if everyone is happy, because of. So all the things go to us. So better we have to connect ourselves with the. So this is when our mind is cool, when our mind is very calm, and when we collected do some efforts, it is okay. एक करे तो करे, but collectively करे तो it is make a sense. There is a win and win situation. I think you know that. There is a win, there is losers. It is not because unke vibrations, it's not good to us. So win-win situation. That God with us, and I am the winner of my own secured happiness. Okay? Can we move to the fourth? So no point battling. ठीक है? No point at all. Just cool calm and collected. So when you go back to your home, you just ask your children, ask your spouse, everything is okay? You have to, because आप आए हैं ना session के लिए, you are here for the session, they are not with you, so better we have to do something like this. But if they are not okay with that, it's not our dependency on. If they are happy, then okay. Now the fourth one is, and it is very important, A, B, C, and the fourth one is D. And the D is determined delight. I know delight milk. Yeah? You also know delight milk, right? That milk is also white. So there is in Delhi, when we move around in the corporate sessions and all, the people are saying, in Hindi they are saying, हमें ना सन्यासी नहीं बनना है. So please, okay. So we are just saying to them, wearing white, it's not become a sannyasi. But think white, it is me, na? So like milk, either delight milk or either anything else, like milk, it is a white. So our thinking should be white. It depends upon us, not to others. But for this delight, delight, it's light, but again we have to force them delight, it determined. Determined means in Hindi it is a dhrita. It means yes, we have to firm for that. And for this, in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon, whenever you are in the office, whenever you are in your corporate world, or whenever you are in the airport or anywhere, with the society, with the LinkedIn, with Instagram, we do this exercise. Because Instagram is an instant to us. LinkedIn is a linked with the Paramatma. LinkedIn, which मैं जैसा सोचती हूँ, LinkedIn means to link with the, when I post something in my LinkedIn, then I connect myself with Paramatma first and then I post the thing. अपने आप बहुत अच्छे views आते हैं. In a half an hour, you're getting so much views because it's not I am doing. I am practicing my thoughts to become secure. When my thoughts are secure, then secured happiness is ours. Okay? Okay? So determine delight. For this, we have to do two exercises. Look for the good. So just see your partner. If you think that something good in that, just think. Just see your partner. Don't say to anything else to them. You just think, is something good to them? Good to them? है ही ऐसे. Good to them. Okay? Good to them? Yeah? Something good in that? Okay. So can you share what you just think about the partner? Can you share to them? Yes, you share. What you think. Yes. You just have a talk. Three sisters, you are in the front. Okay. Done? Something is good. Now, just check yourself. Is something good in me? I also check myself. Is something good in me? Yes. Look for good, not to others now, to ourselves. Yes. So can you share something, what you good in you? If I share myself, I am very much transparent, which I feel, and I am very much not hard worker, but there is something which I just connect with myself to the Paramatma 24/7, if I feel it is. Look for good. Like anyone else? Yeah? I am dedicated towards my work, anything, towards anything, any role. Okay, very nice. Dedicated person. Yes, anything? You are a helpful person. Very nice. So now the name is changed. If the name is Anita, but now the name is helpful. Now the sister name is dedicated. Another one? कुछ sharing नहीं है? Yes? Anybody who wants to share? Hardworking. Very nice. Now the brother name is hardworking. Service. It's a seva. Social service. So now the person name is social activist. है ना? Social seva. Courageous you are. Okay. Enjoy whatever you are. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा हूँ. Okay, very good. So now the brother name is enjoy. है ना? The sister name is courageous. Yeah. I am very determined. So now there is a 7 to 6 words are there. Okay. Now all of you, those who already suggest some points, please stand up. Okay. Now I say to the audience, give the name to them. What the name? What the name of that brother? Social activist. Very good. Big round of applause to them. Very nice. Now the next. Helpful. Very good. Now the next. Courageous. Dedicated. The last one. Determined. And the brother name is? Enjoyful. Huh? And the brother name is? Hard work. Easy? Easy? So सब अपने लिए ताली बजा ले जाए. It's very good. Huh? Now sit down please. This name is easy? This name is easy. So this is look for the good, not to others, but first to ourselves. And there is one beautiful formula which brother Ken from Brazil shared with me. There is a R. Everybody go for the results, right? I also want some result. My senior also wants some result from me. And in your corporate world, everybody wants a result from you. Even the children also want a result from you, that our parents is nowadays hamari tarah hoon. They have to update us. They are with us and they know everything, like LinkedIn, like everything else, like a result. So result is R is equal to efforts upon zero waste. Got it? If we go for the result, we have to do the efforts. But for the efforts, it's efforts हमारे अच्छे हो जाएंगे. But for this, what we have to do? We go for the zero waste. And in the Brahma Kumaris, there is a very beautiful thing which we all together over a secured happiness, that is spiritual teachings. In the morning, every day, God gives a very beautiful teachings to us. And today the teaching is, whatever the thing is happening, just put a full stop, not make a question mark. Question mark is like this and full stop like this. But when we determine ourselves, then we go for this and then we go for the look for the good. So R is equal to? For determined delight, we go for that. R is equal to? Efforts upon zero waste. Okay? So now the first A, B, very nice. C, okay. And the fourth one is delight milk. है ना? याद करना easy हो जाएगा. Now the next, energetic. But energetic, enthusiasm, it's what the mean is this. So now go for the one very good exercise in that, and you have to read and you have to do that. What are you passionate about? What are you passionate about? Anyone else? What are you passionate about? Music, book reading, teaching, cricket. Oh wow, abhi to India jeeta hai. Very nice. Yes, now the next. Yeah? Music, traveling. Okay. So energetic, enthusiasm means what? Think of an activity that you really enjoy. Listening, traveling, everything. But why it is a secured happiness? When you go for your hobbies, sometimes in the pandemic, I think if you know that, so many people come out with their hobbies. I think if I am right, maybe it is man saying, हमें खाना बनाना नहीं आता. But when the pandemic comes, no labor is there. So we help to the family, we help to the spouse, and now I really want कि जब कभी होता है या नहीं होता, I go to the kitchen and I make myself the things, or which we help to the family also. So think of an activity that you really enjoy, but for this, what do you feel while you are engaged in this activity? Just think about yourself. Energetic, it's not mean Brahma Kumaris give you some energy. It is not at all. It's Sunday talk is a one day talk. After 7 days, it comes up. But you have to create your own thoughts with that energy. It feels you energetic. And that's the result. And for this result, we go for the zero waste. Whenever there is so much stress in your mind, go for your hobbies. Go for your book reading. Rather than go for the LinkedIn or Insta, it is really you go for, yeah, this is a waste. We know that update hona chahiye, but it's not too much update to yourself that too much wasteful thoughts we can come up. Okay, दूसरे के Instagram को देख के we feel like we also go something for that. It is like a comparison. You just go and comparison, not go for the comparison, but go to courage in yourself that yes, I am a being of, I am a powerful being, I am a light. That lightness towards you, right? So what do you feel while you are engaged with this activity? What do you feel? Like if something is going for the traveling, what do you feel like? You something go for the painting, what they feel like? Forgetting? Yeah. You forget yourself. Okay. Yeah. The thing is, what they are just saying, forget yourself means that something negative emotions, negativity, they just far away from the, because they engaged with some fruitful thing, fruitful, quality time. So we give your mind to the quality time, not a quantity. It's nowadays, even the parents, I think you all are the parents, so give your children to a quality time, not a quantity. They don't want quantity from you. They want quality time. So when we are with the nurtures, right? Mother is nurturing. Father is also nurturing. What they nurturing? They nurturing our sanskars. So when you connect with the Supreme Power, this is a nurture to yourself, right? So it is a energetic enthusiasm comes to when you connect with the Supreme Father. So now the step 6 is free to fly. Can you stand up once again? Free to fly. The last step 6, free to fly. And in the fly, there is a very beautiful word. First, love yourself. Then you're able to fly, right? So how to fly? How to fly? Just give your wings like this. Yeah. You also stand up, sister. Yeah. You want to fly in the sky? You want to fly? Yes, they want, but they are a little bit shying, right? Right? Okay. If really you want to fly, what we have to do? What we have to do? Only to only love ourselves. तो अपने दोनों हाथ ऐसे रखें. Give to yourself like this and say to yourself, I am happy, I am healthy, I am learning A, B, C, D, E, F, and I really want to fly because I love myself. First, love yourself. Now see your partner. Now you connect with 3 to 4 partners. Wherever you are, you just connect with the 3 to 4 partners, turn around and say to them, you are a very good soul, and with you, easy for me to fly. Thank you to come here with me. You just say 2 to 3 partners like this. Yes. Done? When you go for the universe, universe means what? This is universe. Universe is what? This is a universe. When you go for the universe, what is this? Universe also comes to you, right? So give a big round of applause to your partners now. Your partners now. So now life go with the A, life go with the B, life go with C, D, E, F. Nothing else. Huh? Now E, you tell us. And F, now G, you tell us. What is G? God. Okay. Or for the secured happiness, what we do? So, before we go to the G, we have to do this thing for ourselves. There is a first question. What is it within you that holds you back? We want all the things. बहन ने बताया बहुत अच्छा. I also want that. It is very good. This the things, steps is very good. Formula is very good. But what holds me back? It's my... I am not asking. You just say to yourself. I am not asking. It's something ego, something. Right? So you just write down. If the paper and pen with you, it is okay. Otherwise in the mind you can do it. Right? What else? And now, for the solution, because in our Brahma Kumaris, our Dadi Janki, who was the chief of our Brahma Kumaris, Dadi always saying one thing, which I feel, which I experienced a lot. You have to pay attention to yourself. So automatically tension goes away. Whenever the tension comes, whenever the stress comes, whenever the things comes, because the things not according to us, right? So you pay attention to yourself. So what the single thing which we have to do today, what one single step of courage? Where is the courage, sister? Stand up, sister. Now the name is courage. So in the last, when this session is sum up, you go and say to them, thank you, courage, sister. Okay? Yes? Now the name changed, right? So what one single step of courage, sit down please, could you take in order to move forward? Now what one single step? Yeah. You don't say your negative thing. You just say your positive. Take support. From an expert. Okay. If you are also the expert then? Okay. Bigger expert. Finance expert. Okay, good. She is saying, I am starting to take the support from others. Means if they want some support. Yes. Another one? Have faith in God. Okay. Anything? Let go. Give a big round of applause to them. I really want this thing because this is the first step. For the courage, this is the first step. And the let go means you have to put a full stop. There is an not and dot. I think you know about this. Not mana no. Dot mana dot. Not. In the life where there is a confusion, not. Don't go with that no. Okay? Put a dot. Why I am saying this rhyming words? Because वो हमको याद रहते हैं, like formulas, and which I feel it is very easy for us. Not, but we have to put a dot. That's the good. Okay? Anyone else? Courage word, the single word. So that you have to free to fly. When sister connect with the God, free to fly in the sky. And sky, fly high, touch the sky. Because हमारे इतने dreams है, we want to एक पूरा होगा, there is a second one, second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. There is so much dreams in ourselves. But what we have to do for that, we have to go for some steps, for some thing which we have to do in our life, right? Now the last, greatness of goodness, right? So now again just stand up for 1 minute. Yeah, and brother can take one photo. You just hold the hands. Hold the hands. Okay? When I say, hold the hands like this, you also sisters come this side. Yeah. Okay? Now the last 5 minutes I have more, then I wrap up with the meditation. So the thing is, greatness of goodness. So this is the goodness which we are doing. Brother, you also please join. Yeah. Don't shy. This is, don't shy. Say hi. Okay? Not hi. Say Om Shanti. Right? Hi means that hi. It's in Hindi. Hi. Okay? It's not hi, it's fly. Okay? Then I change the word. It's fly. When I say one, what you do? आपको अपने हाथ ऊपर करने हैं. ओके, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. 1. हाँ, हाथों को करके ऐसे 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. 1 2 डाउन एंड 3 क्लैप. ठीक है, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. वाई इट इज ग्रेटनेस ऑफ गुडनेस. when I say 1 2 3. Okay. In 3, you have to say your good quality, like transparent, like hard work. Okay? 1 2 3 start. 1 2 3. You have to say yourself something. Yes? Okay. Again 1 2 3. In the whole row, the whole row is yours. Like 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row. This total row is yours. Now you come, एक के पास जाना, you go single person and say to them, yes, you are a great soul. I am also the great. You are also the great. Because greatness of goodness works in our secured happiness. And in the secured happiness, there is one important thing is appreciation. This exercise is for appreciation. Okay? So this row is yours. So इस row वाले अपने अपने सब partners से मिले and say to them what greatness you are. तो say to them any one value to them जो उसको great बनाए. Right? 1 2 3 start. In the row, you have to coordinate. You also say to them, sister. They also say to you also. And give thanks to them. Thank you. Give thanks to others. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now sit down. Okay? Okay? It works? It works? Yes? Now how you feel? Now how you feel? Happy? Only 8 p.m. tak or after that? Pakka? Pakka? Done? Our happiness is not depend on others. That we know very well. But now there is some steps which we have to follow. And this steps, it is just a step which I think मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया, but it helps a lot when you do. It's a pool like, right? उसमें swim करते जाओ. If the swim is there, कहते हैं आप समुंदर में swim करो, but if there is a reactions, वो भी आपको ठीक नहीं करेगा. But there is a response, then you go to with this flow कि yeah, I have to start with the responses, not with the reactions. Yeah, in the relationship there is up and down. Yes, I know that. You also know that. There is a lot of up and down is there. But relationship is not with me, but relationship is good because of me, right? So this is the thing, that the formula which we have to use, that is R is equal to efforts, which I have to do with the 7 steps. And for that efforts, what we have to remember? Zero waste. People is very happy when someone comes to them, oh yaar aisa ho gaya, wow, because I am the big, I am the boss and all, but they don't know how the waste they are seeking from others. It's not good at all. We have to connect with the supreme power, that all the battery charge automatically when you connect in the morning with the Supreme Father. So get the help that is available, right? So when you appreciate everyone, you feel good. But for that, you have to appreciate yourself. So pat on to yourself. Shabash. Just say to them, good, well done. Okay? Now the greatness of goodness. This is the reflection which you did. Okay? So 7 steps to happiness. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And G, and then go for the G to connect with G. Connect with G. The partner is also with us. Connect with G. And in the relationship, there is one important thing, that in the home, we have Mr. or Mrs. Right? If misunderstanding comes, Mr. Doubt also comes. If Mr. Doubt also comes, misunderstanding automatically comes. So for the secured happiness, don't call Mr. Misunderstanding, or don't call Mr. Doubt. If there is any doubt, you have to ask. If there is some misunderstanding, you have to ask, yes, there is something. Why you're not talking to me? What the thing is? So many things are in the mind. But when you talk politely, maybe the solution comes and you feel that is good. So this is 7 steps to happiness. Okay? So now we go for the meditation part. Okay? Vidya Didi is there. Sister Vidya is there. Okay. So can I take meditation? Okay. It is okay? Okay? Simple? This is the life GPS. We are using GPS. I am just saying this one. GPS. This is a Gyan. G means Gyan. In English it is knowledge. G means Gyan. When you come to that center, you get all the knowledge. Get all the Gyan. When you apply that Gyan in your life, it is Pyar. P. And when you connect with yourself, अपने आप से जब हम प्यार करते हैं फॉर फ्लाई होने के लिए, टू फर्स्ट लव योर सेल्फ, दैट इज प्यार, देन इट गो अराउंड शक्ति, दैट इज GPS. It is simple GPS. We have to use every day. This is GPS. This is 7 steps, is a Gyan. But 7 steps, if we have to follow, because you love yourself, that's why in the Sunday talk you come here to give big round of applause to yourself. And say to your partner, thank you. Say to them, thank you to be with us. Right? And that Gyan and that Pyar make me powerful. That is Shakti. So Shakti ke liye what we have to do? Now we do some little meditation. Okay? Simple. If there is any doubt, any questions, after it you'll ask me, I'll give you the answers for them. Okay? Now sit straight. Okay, brother? Thank you to all to come with us, listen this. But now GPS works when we connect with the Supreme Father. This is also the art of meditation. Meditation to connect yourself, to connect with the Paramatma. This is the meditation. And with the help of meditation, automatically the things automatic happens. When the situation is not in our control, but our happiness is in our control, because I, the being, connect with the Supreme Power. Sit straight. Inhale and exhale 3 times. You do this. Inhale and exhale. Just focus on yourself. And think yourself, I accept all the situations easily because I accept myself. I am believe in myself that everything is going because of some reason, and I am happy with that. And slowly, I feel my mind is cool, calm, and collected. Because my connection with myself is very much clear and collected. Now, today onwards, I am the creator of my own feelings. I am the creator of my own thoughts, emotions, and really, I am determined to myself, and for this, daily in the morning, I energize myself that I am powerful being. I am divine soul. My happiness is always within me. And slowly, now I am feeling I am flying because my body is healing, my mind is healing, and this healing gives me a good feeling to fly. I am flying angel because I love myself. And slowly, this greatness to myself give strength to others. Thank you, God. You are so kind. You are so helping to us, and your sustenance, your Shakti makes me powerful. This Gyan which you sharing with us, it's a pyar for me, and that Shakti I am feeling in myself. Now in a 1 second, go to the silence. No other thought. Just say to yourself, I am happy being. I am healthy. Automatic. Happiness comes in all the way. Because my nature, my innate quality is happy, healthy. Now slowly and gradually rub your hands. Slowly and slowly अपने चेहरे पे लगाएं and say to yourself, I am healthy, I am happy, Again, rub your hands. Just be relaxed and say to your body, thank you for giving me good support for today's session. Now again rub your hands. See your partner. Give your both the hands to the partner and say to them, thank you. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sister. A big round of applause again. I think everybody is already happy. A very engaging session and reshaping our thoughts, right? And so simple, practical approaches. I was just thinking, maybe decades back, we read those 26 alphabets, right? When we first learned it. And today, just first 7 letters, and you've got a good amount of homework to do. Yeah. Thanks again, sister. A very thought-provoking session, and a good amount of work for us to do.